Hello guys, today you're going to learn quadratic equation made easy. The objective, I can solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Our objective, I can solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Let's do this. So we have x squared or 1x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. How are we going to solve this? Let's bring down the quadratic formula. We have x equals negative b or minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what are we going to do? First, we must know what is a, b, and c. In this example, our a is 1, our b is 6, and our c is 9. Just like that. Super easy, right? And the next step that you're going to do is another simple step, and that is substitution. We are just going to substitute the letters with numbers. So the b is 6. You got it. So just like that. And the a is 1. And the c is 9. And another a, also 1. Easy, right? So we're not yet done. Let's continue. So it will become x equals negative 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 36. Uh-oh, Mr. T, where did you get 36 minus 36? Look at the quadratic formula. 6 raised to the second power, or 6 squared, is equal to 6 times 6, 36. How about the other 36? The other 36 is 1 times 9 is 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, hope you got it. Then 2 times 1, the answer is 2. Okay, let's continue. So we have x equals negative 6 plus minus 36 minus 36. The answer is 0. So we are going to write square root of 0. Then just copy number 2. Just like that. And let's proceed. X equals negative 6 plus minus the square root of 0 is 0. You got it. Then just copy number 2. Easy, right? We're not yet through. We are going to separate the plus and the minus by using x1 or x sub 1 and x sub 2. Okay? So we're going to separate. X sub 1 will be our negative 6 plus 0 divided by 2. X sub 1 equals negative 6 divided by 2. And our answer is negative 3. You got it. X sub 1 is equal to negative 3. Just like that. Now let's go to x sub 2. X sub 2 equals negative 6 minus 0 divided by 2. X sub 2 equals negative 6 divided by 2. And our x sub 2 is negative 3. Just like that. You got it. Again, let's try another one. Our objective, solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Let's do this. 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Let's bring down the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by or over 2a. Okay, so what is the next step? The a, b, and c. So in this example, what is our a? Yep, our a is 2. You got it. How about our b? Be careful with the sign. Did you say negative 7? You are right. How about our C? 3. Got it. And what's the next step? Substitution. Okay, after you found the A, B, and C, you are just going to substitute. Substitute the letters with numbers. So what is our B? Negative 7. There we go. There you go. Negative 7. How about our A? Yep, 2. And our C? 3. And another A? 2. So, that's not it. We're not yet through. Let's continue. Let's copy X equals negative times negative 7. The answer is 7. Okay, just copy plus minus the square root of 49 minus 24. Uh-oh, where did we get 49 minus 24? Look at the quadratic formula on top right. Negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. Okay, then 2 times 3, 6 times 4 is 24. So that's where we got it. Okay, then 2 times 2, the answer is 4. Okay, just like that. Then let's continue. X equals 7, okay, plus minus 49 minus 24. Okay, the answer is 25. So let's just copy square root of 25. Then let's just copy 4. Okay, then let's proceed. X equals 7 plus minus, what is the square root of 25? You got it, that's 5. And just copy 4. See? Easy, right? But we're not yet through. What are we going to do? We're going to separate the plus and the minus by using x sub 1 and x sub 2. Our x sub 1 will be 7 plus 5 divided by 4. Okay? X sub 1 equals 7 plus 5, 12 divided by 4. And our answer, 12 divided by 4, our x sub 1 is 3. You got it, just like that. And our x sub 2, 7 minus 5 divided by 4. X sub 2 equals 2 divided by 4. Our x sub 2 is 1/2 or 0.5. You got it, just like that. Let's have another example. Again, our objective, I can solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Let's do this. Uh-oh, it's different. X squared equals minus 6x minus 9. Uh-oh, what are we going to do? Don't panic. Relax. It's easy. We are just going to transfer the other number on the left side. Okay? But when you transfer it, when you make it jump to the other side, change the symbol or the sign. So it will be like this. X squared, the negative 6x jumps on the other side. The equal sign, okay, is our the separator. Okay, the equal sign separates the left side to the right side. So the negative 6x jumps on the left side, so it becomes plus 6x. Okay, don't be confused. And the negative 9 jumps on the left side, it becomes positive 9. Then we just simply write equals 0, just like that. So x2 equals negative 6x minus 9 will become x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0, just like that. And the same process that we did a while ago, we are going to use that. Okay, so let's bring down the quadratic formula. Our quadratic formula, again, it doesn't change, it will not change. Okay, it is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, just like that. Never change. Okay, it will never change. So what's the next step after that? Look for the a, b, and c. And in this example, our a is 1, our b is 6, and our c is 9. What's next after the a, b, c? Substitution! We're just going to substitute the letter with the numbers. Okay, so b will become 6. Okay, 6. The a, 1, and the c is 9. Oops, there's another a, that is 1. Just like that. Let's proceed. X equals negative times 6, negative 6. Simply copy plus and minus. Then we have a square root of 36 minus 36. Mr. T, where did you get 36 minus 36, or square root of 36 minus 36? Look at the quadratic formula on the top right. 6 squared is equal to 36. Got it? Then 1 times 9 is 9 times 4 is 36. There's the answer. There is where you get it. Okay? Then 2 times 1, the answer is 2. Okay? Let's proceed. X squared equals negative 6 plus minus 36 minus 36, 0. We write square root of 0. Then copy 2. Just like that. Let's proceed. X equals negative 6 plus minus, what is the square root of 0? You have 3 seconds. You got it. The square root of 0 is 0. Then just copy number 2. Just like that. But we're not yet done. We're going to separate the plus and the minus by using x sub 1 or the x1 and x sub 2 or x2. Okay, so let's first answer x sub 1. Negative 6 plus 0 divided by 2. X sub 1 equals negative 6 plus 0, negative 6. Then copy the number 2. Our answer, negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Our x sub 1 is negative 3. You got it. Just like that. Now, let's go to x sub 2. Our x sub 2 is negative 6 minus 0 divided by 2. X sub 2 equals negative 6 minus 0, negative 6 divided by 2. The same. Our answer is negative 3. Just like that. You got it. Let's have additional practice. Again, our objective, I can solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Let's do this. 5x squared equals 50x plus 55. Again, we need to have an answer that is equal to 0. It's easy. We're just going to transfer the numbers on the left side. But don't forget, when you do that, the sign will change. So our answer here will become 5x squared minus 50x minus 55 equals 0. And let's bring down the quadratic formula. X equals minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. After that, let's look for the a, b, and c. Our a is 5. Our b is negative 50. And our c is negative 55. What is our next step? Substitution! We are going to substitute the letters with numbers. Our b is negative 50. Our a is 5. And our c is negative 55. Oops, there's another a below. There you go, it's 5. Just like that, but we're not yet through. Let's continue. X equals negative times negative 50. The answer is 50 or positive 50. Then let's just copy plus and minus. The square root of 2,500 minus negative 1,100. Again, how did we get that numbers? The square root of negative 50 is 2,500. And when you multiply 5 times negative 55 times 44 times 4, the answer is negative 1,100. Let's continue. 2 times 5, the answer is 10. Okay, let's proceed. X equals 50 plus minus 2,500 minus 1,000 or negative 1,100. Okay, if you're confused, do the KCC, keep change change. 2,500 plus 1,100. Okay, the answer is 3,600. Square root of 3,600 divided by 10. Just like that. Let's proceed. X equals 50 plus minus, what is the square root of 3,600? 60 divided by 10. Okay, we're not yet through. We have to separate plus and minus using x sub 1 and x sub 2. Our x sub 1 will be 50 plus 60 divided by 10. X sub 1 equals 50 plus 60, 110 divided by 10. And our x sub 1 is 11. You got it, just like that. X sub 2 equals 50 minus 60 divided by 10. X sub 2 equals negative 10 divided by 10. Our x sub 2 is negative 1. You got it, just like that. Now it's time to test your skills. Again, the objective, I can solve quadratic equation using quadratic formula. You can do this. You can bring out your pen and paper and copy. First, the following. Do not answer yet. Number 1. 2x squared equals negative 13x minus 15. Again, that is 2x squared equals negative 13x minus 15. Number 2, x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Number 2, x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. And number 3, negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. That is negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 2 equals 0. And number 4, x squared equals 5x minus 4. X squared equals 5x minus 4. And last but not the least, number 5, x squared equals 2x plus 35. Again, that is x squared equals 2x plus 35. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.